tours will be really worth it.
Really?
Yeah. Okay,
The
let's
tour?
do it. Let's do it.
Yeah. Oh, look at that, oh.
Better pag the grand.
So we can tour here.
Yeah? You might see ano.
9 o'clock, ano? 9 o'clock
Hey,
it will
look
open.
that guy, Zach.
There, oh.
Look,
There, oh.
guy.
9 o'clock cars, we can tour here tomorrow, no?
Yeah.
This is the reason why this, you know, man.
Let's find out the times of the tour.
Okay.
Maybe we'll ask the others if they want to go.
Yeah.
I can't believe I'm on the Hoover Dam. This is unbelievable. I'm so wow. It's like seeing Sistine Chapel. Wow.
But it can't be.
I've been wanting to see this for a long time.
Yeah. Yeah, wait.
There's Zachy, look, oh.
Wait lang, look first.
There's where Transformers was there, remember?
Yeah, Zach. They filmed the Transformers. Remember when they landed in a place and they could feel the, what was that? What do you call that? That's cube. The
Allspark.
the all spark.
Man, I want to see it. This is really no. I want to see this.
Wow, that's the bridge that they're making, hey?
So this is really
Freaking,
deep.
it's freaking amazing. Wow, look at that.
The place that they put Bumblebee.
Yeah.
And this is
Oh,
really
look at
deep
the
down
water
there.
line. There was water up there before.
Yeah. The water goes up there when it's
When it's rainy season, siguro, no?
Oh.
Hey, I'm cold.
Box your window.
Okay.
Look at that.
Wow, that's the bridge, eh? That's the bridge that they're making.
Oh.
I didn't hit the car.
You did it?
That's the bridge that they're making.
Um,
Oh, nice shot of
I
it.
don't know. Galing, oh. I wanna
They cars, they featured that on National Geographic. How they blasted all of that on the side.
Yeah, and then their mascot, the dog,
Oh,
died. They ran over it accidentally.
What?
What?
Yeah, you used
What?
to give a monument for it in the tour. Yeah. Was sadly, run over by accident.
Is that the guy who ran him over? He probably killed himself.
okay. Now all of you guys can sleep. You have to go down and out so you can experience it.
Where do you
again.
park?
There,
Very
that car
fast?
park, yeah. It was closed kasi wala pa 9.
this
This is a parking area too, though.
No, but that one there, they had like a split level one there.
So you're thinking Jaguar?
Wow.
So, see the Hoover Dam. I remember like
Jaguar.
watch a lot of National Geographic how they made it.
No.
Hey, Gab, can I call Dad? We didn't knock on his door pala last night. He asked
Why?
me to, when we got in, he said to knock on his door.
Hey, we're in Arizona na.
Yeah?
Yeah. That's the boundary.
Oh, Hoover Dam? Hoover Dam is
Yeah, Hoover Dam's the boundary.
like Arizona.
There
Why
is
does
park-
that sound familiar?
You can park there, oh, and that parking structure there. Wow, and that bridge is completed, huh?
I wonder if the tours are free, Gab.
Free. NGO, NGO and Bingo was his name. Some farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh. NGO, NGO, NGO and Bingo was his name. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh.
Geo.
Gio's name. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh. 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 Oh, and Bingo was his. Let me clean this.
How did they get there, I wonder?
Oh, they're working on it.
Wow, look at that view.
Wow.
Zach, look, this is amazing. They're making a bridge.
Jeez, man. man, it's just like scary working on top of that, hey?
Scary. Imagine climbing up that thing.
Oh man, I can't even imagine
The
it.
ladder? There, oh, that's how they get on.
Where?
There, right there. That parang yellow ladder. That's how they get up there. That's scary.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Nevada generator room of the power plant here at Hoover Dam. This room is 650 feet long, approximately 8 stories tall. We actually have an almost identical
Looking at these canyon walls, one can marvel at the tenacity, courage, and skill of fearless men who perform some of the most dangerous undertakings on the Boulder Canyon project.
Yeah, it is crazy. Look at that, man. Wow.
Construction achievements of the 20th century. Feel free to scan, take all the pictures you want. The next presentation on the Discovery Tour is located across the street at the flagpole.
Wow, this is perfect. This is what I wanted to see.
United States. It has a storage capacity of 2 trillion gallons of water. That's to flood an area the size of Florida, 10 feet deep.